welcome back to my channel Quirky Coil. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make one of the street foods that I know we all are craving for in this lockdown period. So it is momo. Let's see how to make momos and in my style. So come on, So these are the ingredients that I'm going to use for the momo today. This is some boiled soya bean, and I have added some pinch of salt in the water already, and I've minced it. Next is some finely chopped capsicums or bell peppers, whatever you have at home, and I love capsicums. Some finely chopped cabbages, some finely chopped onions, and white flour dough. Also some ginger, garlic and onion paste, and some chilies. So these are the ingredients that we are going to need for our momo making, and let's continue with the other process. So for the veg momo, we are going to saute all these ingredients into a pan. So this is the filling, as you can see. This is really so yummy. And we do the momos, let me share with you some fun facts. So number one is, did you know momo is a Chinese word and it was originated in Tibet, and the meaning of its name is steamed bread. So I've thought of making some chicken momos as well. You can see this is the filling. I have used here some 100 grams of chicken. I've sauteed it with some garlic, onion, ginger chili paste. And of course the main ingredient for momo is black peppers. So give a handful of black peppers if you like it. That's it, your chicken momo will be ready. And now let's see how to fill it and make the momo, flat pieces, and how to fold it. So this is the flat piece of the maida dough that I made. Now I'm going to show you how to cut it. For me, obviously this is going to be the easiest process. So we're going to take a circular, rimmed bowl, and then we're just going to place it right on the flat piece and cut it in this way. So we'll just take it apart, fill it with some of the delicious filling. Now the easy way for me is to fold it in this manner and take a fork and just do this, to close it so that the filling doesn't come out. Now we are going to fill it with some chicken filling. So taking this much, putting it right in the center, and I'm going to show you a different folding of the momo. So come closer. You take it in this way and keep on doing the frills. To twist it. That's it. A cute chicken momo is ready. And another fact, did you know the other name of momo is also dim sum, and it is known as dumpling in Mauritius. The chicken and the veg momos are ready to go into the steamer, but before that, did you know what a momo maker is known as? It is called muktu. But today, as I do not have it, so I'm going to use this idli maker. And this is how a idli maker looks. You can see, Indian jugaad, you can call it. Also, you can call it as, the mixed culture that we all Indians like to follow. So it's already been greased with oil, all these. And now, one by one, we are going to place the momos here. So I filled all these plates with the momos, and now in this pan we are going to add water till this mark, and after that we are going to put this over here and close it. Let it steam for some about 15 to 20 minutes and your momos will be ready. Next, for the momo dip, or we call it as chutney, we require tomatoes, some chilies and some garlic. We will grind it together and then we're just going to saute it. The chutney is ready. Amazing, it looks so yummy. So here you go guys, my momos are ready. It's so hot and my mouth is already watering. I cannot wait to taste them, so let me just do it. It's amazing. So you all also please prepare it at your home and let me know by tagging me in my Instagram. If you like this video and you're eager to make the momos, so please go make the momos, subscribe to this channel, hit the like buttons and also hit the bell notification. Share this video with your friends and family. Love you all. Toodles. Go guys, go and make your momos and bye bye.